Hi friends and family, welcome back to Real Fitness. So let's start with the day 4. So today day 4, which means we have a tricep day. I hope last day which is you enjoyed with the back workout. So let's start with the day 4 triceps. So you need a rod first. So take a rod along with you, and this is a first variation of your triceps. Again, we need to utilize supine, neutral and prone grip. So let's start with the prone grip first. If you're quite confident, take your thumb outside, right? If you're not confident, take your thumb inside, right? Because it's quite risky. So take a rod, take it overhead, yeah, spread your legs, yeah, and shoulder width traveling this, yeah. This is overhead extension. You need to balance your body, elbow close, shoulder width, and coming down close to your head, going up, extend your wrist, yeah. Again 20 count. This is the first variation of your triceps. So let's switch to the second one, which is the skull crush. So I'll give you the side view, right? So take a rod, lie down on bench, take a rod on your overhead, this, right? Getting down on your overhead and extend it up. This is at least a 35 degree, which is you need to travel. This is called skull crush, right? So this is skull crush, and let's switch to the third variation now, the close grip press. Here the close grip press, the mother rule, you have to lock your elbow joint. Coming down half range, going up, go and straight your elbow. So you feel your triceps and your brachialis muscles. This is a range of motion. Keep your wrist straight, go and straight your elbow joint, and just feel your triceps and brachialis, right? This is a third variation of triceps. This is called skull crush. So guys, we are done with the barbell one. So let's switch to the dumbbell now. That's called DB. So let's take a dumbbell. Again the fourth variation, which is the both dumbbells. दोनों डंबल के साथ करना है, राइट? सॉरी गाइज, काफ़ी इंग्लिश हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी हिंदी में एक छोटा सा एक रिकैप दे देता हूँ. जो हमने पहला जो वेरिएशन करा वो रॉड के साथ, उसको ओवरहेड एक्सटेंशन बोलते हैं, विच इज़ फॉर अगेन योर अपर हेड ट्राइसेप्स. और जो सेकेंड वेरिएशन होता है उसको बोलते हैं स्कल क्रश, जो होता है आपके अपर एंड मिडिल दोनों ट्राइसेप्स के लिए. और फिर जो क्लोज ग्रिप होता है वो एक्चुअली होता है ब्रैकिलीज के लिए, लेकिन सेम टाइम यू फील योर ट्राइसेप एज वेल. सो लेट्स स्विच टू द फोर्थ वेरिएशन ऑफ BB. So take a dumbbell, right, overhead, and neutral grip extension, this, right? Again elbow close, they're supposed to travel with your shoulder line, and extend your dumbbell going up as much as possible and feel your lower triceps, this, right? This is the fourth variation. So let's switch to the single dumbbell now, which is the prone grip. Again, I just want to remind you, we are utilizing the supine grip, neutral grip and the prone grip. So this is the prone grip, which is single dumbbell, and this is a traveling. Don't change your grip, very important. आपने ग्रिप सही पकड़ना है, प्रोन ग्रिप के साथ ट्रैवल करना है, और ये इंडिविजुअल होगा. एक हाथ खत्म होने के बाद आपने स्विच करना है अपने दूसरे हाथ की तरफ. अगेन प्रोन ग्रिप एंड पॉइंटिंग आउट. दिस इज द वे, राइट? So this is the fifth variation of the triceps. Again, you need the both dumbbell, right? So again, I'll show you the side view. This is called kickback. Again, for your upper head triceps and your Brackeys, stand up, feet distance shoulder width, your knees soft, upper body parallel to floor, your elbow higher than your upper torso, and straight it back. This is called kickback. Again, neutral grip, you have to maintain your neutral grip and just straightening outwards, which is you feel your Brackeys muscles, right? So these are the 6 variation which is we done with the triceps workout. And again, let's take a recap again. तो हमने फर्स्ट जो वेरिएशन करा वो रॉड के साथ ओवरहेड एक्सटेंशन. सेकेंड वेरिएशन वो स्कल क्रश था. थर्ड वेरिएशन क्लोज ग्रिप प्रेस विच इज फॉर योर ब्रैकलीज एंड ट्राइसेप्स. और जो फोर्थ वेरिएशन था डंबल्स दोनों एक साथ न्यूट्रल ग्रिप के साथ ओवरहेड एक्सटेंशन. और फिर उसके बाद जो हमने सिंगल आर्म किया वो प्रोन ग्रिप था. एंड द सिक्स्थ विच इज फॉर द किकबैक, वो आपके मसल को डिफाइन और ब्यूटीफाई करने के लिए आपको वो जो किकबैक होता है उसके लिए होता है, डेफिनेशन देने के लिए. एंड होपफुली यू एंजॉयड द ट्राइसेप्स वर्कआउट and you understood the all 6 variations. So I'll see you on next muscle. So all the best and keep practicing. Take care.